I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to meet my friend, the Russian, the Irish, the German, the Colombian. I don't care how bad I fuck up. I care about how fucked up I get. I'm not your clown, I'm your dealer. And I'm holding 3 bundles of bullshit. And you're buying them cause you are addicted to the pure and totally uncut. I'm not here to amuse you. I'm here to abuse my body. I'm here because all habits die hard. And seriously, what the fuck am I supposed to do? This isn't my job, my hobby, my head is sad. This is my life. Welcome to our mission statement. Total self-debasement and not giving our all. What's your fault? It's not that we don't pull it, it's just that we only give up a 60 or so percent. You'd rather beef than bullshit, or some 20-something makeup wearing pop star.
This one goes out to all my fans all over the world. Without you, it would just be us. I just want to say thank you. We fucking love you.
Fuck you! Gonna take it easy before the show, so you won't lose your voice and disappoint your fans routine. You don't care about the children, you don't even know them. All you know is their money. Rock, another round on watching Betty talk. Where you wanna get thrown in when you get thrown in outside is stand below. Is it day or night? We don't care now. What we know that we don't wanna be. Where's but here? Please don't make us leave. When in Minnesota and you gotta do quota. The devil with the triple rock. We're still here watching Betty talk. Then undressed, got out, thought up. One question still remains: how much more art can we take? I'll let you know the medication wears off. I'm a religious drunk, and this is where I pray. The Church of Alcoholics will break up the congregation. Air to breathe through carbonation. We are in the good church, and you're flicking our bar stool. Playing out the taps, all holy water flowing. We kicked up communion, all night kept that shit coming up anew. There's a lot of questions. When in Minnesota, and you got making quota, yeah. Let's go! I don't know if we're the best band today, but we are the best band today.
I went to meet the Arctic Monkeys today.
Did you?
I said, hi, guys, I'm El Jefe from Nofx. And let me tell you, them Arctic Monkeys was ice cold.
You said ice cold in the black language, I think.
I ain't bullshit.
Yeah, those guys have been dicks to us for a long time. Because, you know why? Because we talk shit about them every day.
I don't see what the problem is.
Yeah.
We talk shit about everybody.
Yeah, we talk shit about everybody. Even country.
All right, let's go.
Don't say the country
Don't
word.
say it.
That's enough Schadenfreude. Let's go.
Come on, everybody. Schadenfreude.
Fuck you, lady. That's what stairs are for.
Okay, we're going to this. We have a song on our new album. People say, new album. But you're going to go, oh my God, the song's great. Watch. I lived a lifetime, 6 years on top. You've been trash can. Shot in my lifespan. I think that was the plan, yeah. Spending all my money on a one-way ticket to Afghanistan. I was a superstar drug. Strung out on drugs. Lived that star bug. I thought I was sung. I did zoom in. I did stop. I'm the moron bro with different tongue out. I'm pleased that's my tongue, that's what I know. Casual sex with every complex. Now I'm on in a mirror and I'm not right. Every time got more difficult. I was a heated judgment. A breathing renegade. A constant cause. To being alright. Don't make a side here with. Moron bro with different tongue out. I please that's but that's right now.
And Mike, I did the blah for you. You're supposed to go blah. He's got to put down his Tijuana coat. Hold on.
All right. Now I'm looking cool. Now you can see I gained some weight. All right, we're doing 2 songs in a row. Never been done before. Watch this. I want to see the Constitution burn. I want to watch the Trump House overturn. I want to witness some blue blood bleed red. The song's about our government.
Yeah.
I feel like they keep bullets to the NRA. Yeah. Murder the government. Murder the government. Murder the government. And then shoot again, yeah. Murder the government. Murder the government. Murder the government. And then murder the government.
USA out of North America.
Oi, oi, oi! Friday night we'll be drinking Manischewitz, going out to terrorize Goyam. Oi, oi, oi! Stop and shake it. Screwing chicks off, bombing it home by Saturday morning. Cause hey, we're the Brews, 14 anti-swastika tattoo. Oi, oi, we're the boys. On the top of the city goes the orthopedic Dr. Martin's good for waffle making, kicking through the shin. Reputation, came through intimidation, the path of venom, long tradition. Cause hey, we're the Brews, 14 anti-swastika tattoo. Oi, oi, we're the boys. You're the dogs, the city goes. We've got the mic, yeah. Psycho and sugar now. We can't lose the fight. And we are the chosen one. Let's put you there. We battle, then we feast. We celebrate and we separate our milk plates from our minutes. We're the Brews, 14 anti-swastika tattoo. We're the boys, all the dogs, the city goes
Hey, news. Come on, you schmucks, one more time for Olaf.
We're the Brews, 14 anti-swastika tattoos. We're the boys, the Orthodox. the city goatee. Oi!
We're the Brews, outsmarting anti-swastika tattoo.
Oi, oi, we're the boys.
Orthodox, the city goatee.
Fall into the gap. Ah, you motherfucker!
You know, you in the front row, you look like our banner. You.
Bright yellow.
You got yellow, you got a black beard.
No, his is bigger though.
But people have been telling us
Much bigger
you
than our
have
banner.
the smallest banner at the festival. So, we got a bigger banner.
Yes, here it is.
Look at
For
this.
you.
That's right, Metallica ain't got shit on us.
See? We're a real popular band now.
Bigger.
That's just as big as the Pennywise banner.
Bigger is better. Banner.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Something's
Music.
missing. I'm not sure
Yeah,
what.
we should play music.
we got the laugh, now we gotta play the songs.
Oh, right.
Then we do the cocaine, get the women the power.
Come on, timing, brother, timing.
Okay, this song is about, once again, the U.S. What a fucking terrible place. What a fucking assholes. What a bunch of fucking assholes. This song's about the United States called The Idiots Are Taking Over. Social cancer, is there an answer? Mental membership conceding. Tell me why how all the stupid people reading. What's in it's really elementary, the industrial revolution. I should have been an evolution. The benevolent wise are being pointed outside. What a bummer. The world keeps getting dumber. Insensitivity is standard. Faith to be fancy without reason. Darwin's thrown over in his coffin. The finish starts vibing much less often. Now everything seems to be reversing, and it's working. Someone got steamer in the G pool. Now any mom mentality is no longer the exception. It's gonna feel a lot like Charles Heston. Stranded on the plumbing planet. Apes and orangutans and ran it to the ground. The generals and the armies that obey them. Followers following in fables. Philosophies that enable them to rule without regard.
There's no push for democracy when ignorance is celebrated. Political scientists get the same one vote as some Arkansas inbred. Majority rule don't work in mental institution. Sometimes the smallest, softest voice carries the grand.
Conclusion, what we left with the nation of God-fearing pregnant nationalists. The feelings of duty, populate the homeland and pass on tradition. How to get ahead, religion and prosperity, theology and culture. The idiots are taking over. 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 The idiots are taking over.
They're taking over.
Das macht Spaß.
See, he messed up, and then I was laughing at him, and then it made me mess up. And then I messed up again, and you know what? Who fucking cares? Has anyone ever seen us not mess up? No.
No one. No one.
Okay, we'll do this one. We're gonna do some some ethnic music. Are we doing that one? Yeah, let's do that one.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, do radio.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's kind of pro.
We're gonna do a song by a band who can write songs.
Yeah. Long time many people are suffering. Ooh yeah, never fell in love till I fell in love with you. Never knew what a good time was till I had a good time with you. If you wanna get the feeling and you wanna do it right, then the music's got to be loud. For when the music hits me, I feel no pain at all. Here it is, here I am, turn it up fucking loud.
Radio, 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 radio.
For when I've got the music, I've got a place to go.
Radio, 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 radio.
When I've got the music in me, I've got a place to go. I've got a place to go. One summer night, I was drinking with my dad. He tried to show me love that I never had. But he gave more love to his bottle of wine. So I had to go out and find love of another kind. Here it is, here I am, turn it up fucking loud.
Radio, 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 radio.
For when I've got the music, I've got a place to go.
Radio, 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 radio.
When I've got the music in me, I've got a place to go. Radio Clash, Magnificent Seven. I was a choir boy, you showed me no heaven. So I don't surely lost.
Radio, radio, radio.
No remorse, ignoring the cost.
Radio, radio, radio.
Everybody,
Radio, radio, radio. Radio, radio, radio.
For when I've got the music, I've got a place to go.
Radio, radio, radio. Radio, radio, radio.
When I've got the music in me, I've got a place to go. I got a bubble machine here.
See, we can play both kinds of music.
Double bubble.
It's like Lawrence Welk show here. It got bubbles.
You got bubbles?
Guys popping at the same time.
Who's got the bubbles? Who's got the bubbles?
Bubbles.
You know, you three girls, you're ruining the show for everyone behind you. You bunch of fucking assholes.
They don't care.
Yeah. Danka Ashra.
You know what? Why don't you guys turn the girl around and put their fucking puss in your face? So that you can't see anything either. Go ahead, turn them around.
You mean...
You don't need to see... There you go.
You mean
don't need to see them.
consensually.
No, not turn them around.
Hey.
Turn your face around, you idiot.
And start futzelecking.
Hey, what's the word in German for consensual? Oh, wait, you don't have one. Sorry.
Ooh. Oh, snap. Oh, damn. The German God will have no mercy on you, Melvin.
Shit.
Schadenfreude. All right, this song...
Come on, everyone knows you have a different word for everything.
Does everyone know how to ululate? Does everyone know how to... You know how to do that?
Ah, Gina.
Because I thought Europeans love that. We wrote a song about...
The guy's holding up a picture of Gina. Or is it Gina?
You know, we get in trouble a
Gina.
lot. It happens a lot.
Happy birthday, Gina. Gina?
Happy birthday, Gina. They just hate their lives. And desperate people learn to despise the suicidal. They don't wanna crew. They don't wanna blow up. They just want their 70. Can never stop a war, but 100,000 hookers can beat the Marine Corps. It's stopping violence, fighting we'll see. And everyone is getting blowjobs. That's when we'll finally have world peace. How many million men have been killing foreign wars? It's time to reinstate the draft and list a million wars. Start with authority and on the spring break. Ship the girls gone wild to Afghanistan. The gladly vote. It's only wars on only. Start a military complex. Terrorists and real men who were promised genocide. If they could see a woman's face, they might not get onto that plane with a bomb in their suitcase. Everybody! 72% can never stop a war. Never stop a war! 100,000 hookers beat the Marine Corps. In stopping violence, fighting will cease. Fighting will cease! Everyone is getting blowjobs. That's when we'll finally have world peace! I heard that. You guys went, you did it.
Thank you, Germans. Thank you, German people. Okay, he's out of steam. He has no jokes left.
No, I'm just looking over there.
Just looking over there.
Why?
Because I'm looking at the quartet, the barbershop quartet. Hey, you guys in the orange uniforms, do you guys sing?
They're a singing group.
Can you sing? You can't sing.
Which one's the bass?
They look like members of KIZ.
I bet you guys know a Die Toten Hosen song. Come on, sing it. You do the harmony, you do the bass. Yeah, not being funny and playing music.
Thanks, Vagina. Even if it's easy to be free, what's your definition of
Freedom! Who the fuck are you? Anyway, who the fuck are they? The fuck am I to say? What the fuck is really going on? How did the cat get so fat?
Why does a family die?
Do you care why? Turn around and it's time anything gets better in the ghetto.
People sped up, getting better.
Point your fucking finger, you racist, you bigot, that's not the problem, now is it? It's all about the money,
Political power is taken.
protecting the rich, denying the poor. Yeah, they love to watch the world from Trump Tower.
Look at me, I'm a beautiful butterfly. How can I sleep at night? How can I sleep at night?
How did the cat get so fat? 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 drank water all by himself while playing drums.
Smelly never messes up.
And then he didn't stop playing drums.
Yeah, next time you should drink milk, dude. That'd be funnier. Karina, what are you gonna drink?
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
Manischewitz.
Yeah, let's get some Manischewitz out here.
Manischewitz.
Manischewitz for Daphne from Scooby-Doo.
Hey, who likes Scooby-Doo?
Zoinks! Raggy!
Zoinks!
Jewish Daphne.
Your hair looks cool with the wind. Like, whew. Your bangs are just
Like Jufro? Yep.
Okay.
Your hair looks great, by the way, Mike.
Yeah, you're talking about her hair.
What's wrong with my
that
hair?
even? Is that even hair?
Nothing.
Fletcher used your hair as a tampon, remember?
Okay. Okay, we're...
You sound like an old hillbilly, all drunk. Like,
I'm drinking whiskey. This is funny.
okay, the ecstasy is kicking in.
Look, every time we try to play a serious song, you make me laugh. Just you, just your face.
You're like a clown.
You guys know about Easter Island? He looks like one of the statues on Easter Island.
Yeah.
Schadenfreude.
Schadenfreude. Okay.
All right, go, Jew.
I can do this. The song's about me, and I hate myself never. Here we go. One morning I woke up, scratched out balls and eyes. I looked into the mirror and I got a big surprise. I don't know who this person is. I've seen his face. Face I don't want to have to face. I don't like your face. Wait. I don't like your face anymore. Friend, I seem to turn away. Could remember, did he think I say? They my friend said something never heard before.
I love you,
But I don't like you anymore.
Someone locked the door.
I don't like me anymore.
Here comes Lady a horn.
I don't like me anymore.
I heard the story twice before.
I don't like me anymore.
Pop flaming hardcore.
I don't like me anymore. Something that I done wasn't something that I said. I having too much fun and I dropped in someone's head. I turn on the TV. I don't like what I see. An old book up your acting like a jerk, and that jerk is definitely me.
Someone locked the door.
I don't like me anymore.
Here comes Lady a horn.
I don't like me anymore.
I heard the story twice before.
I don't like me anymore.
Pop flaming hardcore.
I don't like me anymore. Catastrophe uncertain. Hit the lights and drop the curtain. Organize a mob and rush the... Floor, I don't like me anymore. I'm burning up and sore, I don't like me anymore. People say they love me, then ask for something more. A never-ending story, I feel a busting core. A bum is dinosaur, I don't like me anymore. Why being nice to people feel like such a chore? I act like a clown, but I'm everybody's whore that I wish I could ignore. I don't like me anymore. So, that was good. Now we're gonna do another song. I don't have the giggles. Go, do it. Play it. I never thought about the universe, made me feel small. Never thought about the problems of this planet at all. Global warming and radioactive sites, materialistic wrongs, the animal rights, yeah. What think of the bad things in life is so good? Why help with an am when there's always a could? Let the whales worry about the poisons in the sea. Outside of California, it's foreign policy. I don't want changes, I've no reaction. Going to land with my distraction. That's the way to go, Franco Un-American. 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 I never looked around, never second guessed. But from now it's end, now I'm always not to rest. Now I can't sleep from years of apathy. Well, because I read a little Nofx. Eating vegetation cause the fast food nation. We're on Global Street because of globalization. Watching Michael Moore, smoke the awful truth. Listen to Public Enemy and make it. Watching Malcolm, cause I'm down with dog with it. No bread, it's a fucking probably up with it. Can't believe what an absolute failure. We fucked up, voted for Nader. That's the way to go, Franco Un-American. Way to go, Franco Un-American. Way to go, Franco Un-American. That's the way to go, Franco. Wanna move north, be a Canadian. Hang down low, the nice barbarian. I don't wanna be another I don't care again. What are you gonna do? Franco Un-American. Hey, there used to be like 20 people watching us. What happened? Even our friends think we're dicks.
That sucks. We got no friends.
We got the one guy there.
We even think we're dicks.
And nobody likes us in the U.S. anymore.
Fuck it, we got a big ass banner now.
We're still pretty popular in Belgium.
We played the Elks Lodge in Belgium. We got 54 people. That's a lot for Belgium.
Belgium has the best beer, and fuck you. You got Beck's. They got Stella.
So you think you're better than Belgium?
They got Duvel. Duval. Speaking of actors, we got Richard Duval. What's his name?
Frank Duval.
No, it's not Frank.
Robert.
We got Robert Duval. Who do you got?
David Hasselhoff. Who
Yeah,
else?
all you got is David Hasselhoff. And he's not even German.
It's all right, you guys. You got us still.
Let's do it. Okay. We're going to do another song that's it's in the style of traditional German music right here.
Oh yeah. This is some real lederhosen shit. Everybody smoke Jamaica. Never gonna be enough space. So eat the meek, savor the taste, because they're gonna be a delicacy. So lick your chops and eat the meek. Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? We don't belong. The factory mass produce and fear, no cap, distributed near and far, sold for a reasonable price. The people, they love it, they feed it. Brush with it, bathe with it, breathe it. Inject it direct to the blood. It seems to be replacing love. Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? We don't belong. You know they're always gonna be token truth. Forgotten code, discarded youth. You know they're always gonna be pedigree. One on the air, one pay to breathe. Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? We don't belong.
Yeah! El Jefe! Karina.
It wasn't us, it was fucking him. It was his people.
Sorry, but I gotta say, Viva Mexico, cabrones!
It was 1-0. It was a good game. You see England today? Fuck England.
England.
You know why? Because the Arctic monkeys are from England.
Oh no!
One more point
for me, mate, as well.
Oh my God.
Keep going.
Why? You never even met those guys.
I never met him because I said, can I meet you guys? I like your first EP, and only your first EP, but can I meet you? And their manager said, no. He said, 9.
I thought he just
Ice
closed
cold.
the door.
You speak German? You speak Deutsch? You sprechen keine Deutsch?
And it all went downhill.
Just like I'm Jew-ish.
You're a fucking beaner, dude.
I'm Jewish.
He makes his
Not
income from
Jewish.
Jews.
I got a yarmulke on everything with a Mexican flag on it.
This is you, Tony. The song is about a best friend that I lost, the worst death in my life. Greatest songwriter. This is about Tony Sly, everybody. Or a better guy. His songs wouldn't just touch you, they would punch you in the eye. It doesn't happen a lot when everybody assumed that he wasn't supposed to die. So let's clank our beers and give 3 cheers for Tony Sly. I never heard a bad word about him, I never heard a bad melody. He's dying with a tragic, it's a fucking catastrophe. I lost my band to so many friends, I chalked it to la vie. But nothing's like missing my friend Tony. Sometimes on weekends when our kids hang out together, I just saw that her dad songs are better. And I know she's sad, Mr. Margie thinks her dad coming home. Could have told her that 2 years ago on the phone. Tony, you make me see myself in a way I don't wanna see. Do I have to stop living so recklessly? No, I can be the father I know I can be.
I'll see you on the outside.
All the endless nights we had, 20 years of laughs. I looked, but I can't find any photographs of us, because it's weird to take photos with your best friends and you don't think that you'll never see them again. Sorry I wasn't there for you, but you need me in the end. I'm trying to give you a eulogy, but all when you needed a friend. When I burn your body into the ground, you look right I began to cry. From coast to coast, let's raise our drinks and give a toast to Tony Sly. Smoking a pocket full of shit. Me on the street with a violin on my chin, playing with a grin, saying G-A-H. That's me on the back of the bus. That's me in the sound. That's me inside your head. That's me in...
Gotta stick it up the Mexican's ass. It doesn't work with the
All
Jew.
right, Tony Sly, everybody. That was the last song that he ever played. We got 10 more minutes.
That's a nice anti-fascist flag.
I think we should do 5 more minutes. What do you think? Yeah. Or we could do 15 minutes and fuck that band over because they suck anyway.
Is there really a band over there?
I don't even know, but who cares?
It's the Red Bull tent.
Must be a metal band.
No. We're gonna play 10 minutes, and then those 4 guys and the 1 girl in orange are gonna come on stage, and you're gonna do job, do 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 do
No
do. See, you guys gotta do that. You look like it. You got the look.
Ambulance Quartet.
Bottles. We just did a fast song.
9.
Okay, Fuck the Kids Part 1. Here we go. Fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck the kids. That was fast. That was a good song. What's wrong with that song? It's like an Arctic Monkey song, but shorter.
On 197.
Okay, Eric wants to do a fucking old song that was older than most of you people.
And we had 10 minutes, now we have 5.
No, now we got 10 still.
3 minutes.
No, Bottles.
Notice my thumb is out.
I like the way you
let's do
choose
half of it. Half. We're gonna do half
That's
this song.
ein.
Half of it.
1, 2, 3.
Talking about the Moron Bros, tattooed fingers, tattooed toes. Idiots and losers and scum, taking advantage of everyone. You're a dog and you fleas, doing everything to get spread disease. Take your drug. Leave with you microscopic bug. Don't eat your son, you won't miss. Your eyes straight are filled with piss. They are the Moron Brothers. Don't get along with others. They are the Moron Brothers. Don't get along with others. They may not go down in the street. They'll go down on your sister and your mama. We only played half the song.
Yeah, that was a 12-inch version.
No Bottles. That's your cue.
Thanks.
That was.
What happened?
When it's over, cause I'm closing. Feel the sober staring at you. And you better take one last step. One more round and bottle to the ground. Scratching on the glass in a perfect sound. Gotta pull the plug, man, when it's gonna die. Whoa, 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 bottles to the ground. Suitcase on the sidewalk, and there's a record in a milk crate. Staying, throwing whiskey, throwing rumbling. One more round and bottles on the ground. Smashing on the glass in a perfect sound. You gotta pay the piper when the rest are gone. Whoa, 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 whoa. One more round and bottle to the ground. One more round and bottle to the ground.
2 chords, too.
All right, we got one more song, and then you should all go back to your tents. Go back to your 2 tents, because you're 2 tents.
Pun intended.
Yeah, you hear that? Traditional German music.
We love the Deutsch so very much.
We love playing Deutsch songs. This one's called Schadenfreude. Schadenfreude.
Kill all the white man. Oh yeah, kill all the white man. The white man call himself civilized, 'cause he know how to bend over. The white man come to pillage my village. Now he tell me I have to bend over. Oh yeah, kill all the white man. Oh yeah, oh yeah, kill all the white man. No, I do not like playing trumpet all the time. He rape all my people as I rape my country. Everything I love and cherish, he tried to take away. He tried to build a wall, soon come that day. Oh yeah, kill all the white man. Oh yeah, kill all the white man. Thank you so much for coming to see us after 35 fucking years. Thank you so much.